Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. It's too happy. Oh, God. Let's go. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today is a very special episode, so as we are towards the Christmas period, and today I'm going to unbox the Supreme. Let's go, boys. Yeah, I know I said unboxing Supreme when I already unboxed it. Yeah, so basically I've already unboxed it, my Supreme hoodie, and this is actually from my girlfriend. Yeah, shout out to Sophie. Yeah, so this she copied the black large color when I got the XL mustard color. So yeah, so that's why I'm wearing this, to just show, because the black is actually very cool and I love it. Yeah, I just borrowed it for the video, and then once I finish the video I probably have to return back to her so she can wear. But anyway, so today I'm going to unbox two items which I bought it from Supreme. So yeah, let's go. Okay guys, so here we go. So I'm going to unbox our first Supreme item. Let me see what's inside there. Oh, let's go. It's 2-pack and the Supreme sticker. Yes, so basically I bought 2 packs of the Supreme pink socks. Yes, shout out to my bro. So I was gonna gift 1 pair to him for the Christmas present. Yes, we have set up our company, so this is kind of like a complete uniform. Yeah, so for the Supreme socks, the pink, it's quite hype. Yeah, it came out in week 1, but it's all sold out. But I'm glad, like when the boss logo came up, I think last week, so they have restocked the socks. So that's why I bought like 8 pairs basically. So 1 for me and 1 for my bros. Yeah, I hope you like it, man. Yeah, pink socks for Christmas. Nice, yeah, it's nice and warm as well. 60% cottons, 29% polyester, 3% rubber, and 1% Leon. Made in India. Yeah, shout out to India. Shout out to India team. Supreme, sorted. Okay, yeah, so that's the 2 cup items. Ooh, let's don't stop the heat. Let's go for the unboxing, the big boy now. Yep. Fabric, handle in care. Oh, I think this is it. This is the big boy now. Let's go. Yeah, so basically this is the box. This should be the star I got. Yep. Let's have a look. Oh, let's go Supreme. Oh. Okay, I'm back. Yeah. Oh, let's go boy. Let's get this big boy out. Wow, this Supreme. And of course, we got the Supreme stickers. Okay. Made in China. Shout out to China. Let's go. The Christmas tree toppers. Oh, let's go. But to be honest, I think the star's gonna be too big for my tree. Well, it's a tiny Christmas tree here, but oh well, we'll see. Oh, we need to be very careful. Wow, oh my god. The sprinkles, the bottom, and the star. Oh. Wow, Supreme, the red one. Yeah, I got the red one. Yeah, when I was copying for the Boss logo wig, I went straight to the XL hoodie, and then once I copped that, I went straight to the beanie, but I didn't get that. and then I went straight to the accessory. I tried to copy the golden star one, the golden color, but I couldn't get it. And then the silver was sold out. Yeah, it turns out the silver is quite hype. And then I got the red one. I think the red one's quite nice as well. Yeah, it goes well with the tree, but I think it's too big for my tree. But yeah, let me try it on now. Yeah, just try to stick something at the bottom. Yeah, I think this is right. Not sure. Okay. Yep. So I've straightened at the bottom there. So now just try to put it onto my tree, which I think it's gonna be very hard, but I'll try. Put the snowman, the Santa's here. Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! It's too heavy. Oh God. Let's go. Merry Christmas, guys, and Happy New Year. Wish all the best to everyone, and let's hope more hype items in 2022. And yep, stay safe and enjoy the festival.